Good morning, students. Today we are going to study narration, reported speech. This is part 1. Dear students, narration or speech are synonyms to each other. So, the narration is of two types, direct and indirect. What is direct speech or what is direct narration? The definition of the direct narration says that the direct speech is framed by the words that are spoken by the speaker. It means in a direct speech sentence, the exact words spoken by the speaker are used. The second important point that we must remember that the words spoken by the speaker are put within double inverted commas. Double inverted commas are also called double quotes. So in other words, we can say, when we repeat the words of the speaker, it is said to be direct speech. Now let's have some examples of direct speech. He said, I'll go to Mombasa tomorrow. I'll go to Mombasa tomorrow are the words used by the speaker. That is the statement said by the speaker. So this portion is put within double quotes or double inverted commas. Next example, I had a pain in my stomach yesterday. Again, these are the words said by the speaker, and that's why it is put within double quotes. Now the next slide, where do you stay? Asked Mitali. Where do you stay are the exact words said by Mitali. So where do you stay is put within double inverted commas. I hope you have understood what is direct speech. Now let's know what is indirect speech. The definition says in indirect narration, the words that are used by the person are not exactly the same as the speaker said or conveyed. Let's have some examples of indirect speech. She said that she would not come to the party. First thing, in a sentence of indirect speech, in double inverted commas are not used, and these are not the exact words conveyed by the speaker. Sheetal said that she would not come to the party. I hope you have understood. See, again, inverted commas are missing. So now we understood what are direct speech and indirect speech. So let's revise by discussing the difference between the two. In the direct speech, statements are enclosed within double quotes or double inverted commas. But in the case of an indirect speech sentence, no double quotes or no double inverted commas are used. Another point to be discussed. A comma separates the statement and the reporting verb. But in the case of indirect speech, no such comma is needed. Let's see in the example. His servant said the tea is not yet ready. Dear students, till now you have understood the tea is not yet ready. It is put within double quotes. It is an example of direct speech. But in the same sentence, some more words are also written, which are not enclosed within double quotes. And that part is, his servant said. So the portion that is out of inverted commas or double quotes, that is called reporting verb. And see, and the portion that is within inverted commas, that is called reported speech. So the tea is not yet ready. This is reported speech. His servant said. This is reporting verb. And reporting verb and reported speech are separated by using a comma. And see the indirect form. His servant informed him that the tea was not ready by then. Now becomes then. So dear students, we have already discussed about the parts of a direct speech sentence, but let's revise. We can divide a sentence in direct speech into two parts, reporting verb and reported speech. To have an example, we are going back to the slide and see the example here. His servant said, the tea is not yet ready. So his servant said, this is reporting verb and the tea is not yet ready. It is reported speech. Reported speech is always written within double quotes or double inverted commas. Reporting verb and reported speech are separated by using a comma. In this way, always remember that a sentence of a direct speech has two parts, reporting verb and reported speech. Thank you students for watching.